Trying a new dish is always fun and exciting, especially when you're cooking for two. On the menu tonight, sweet cider lamb loin with roasted carrots and frites. To make this, you'll need a few lamb loin medallions, a potato, butter, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, rosemary, honey, carrots, and cider. Start by preheating the oven to 475 and prepping the frites. Wash your potato, chop it in half and slice it lengthwise into slabs, and then again into skinny sticks. Then throw them in a bowl. Melt a nub of butter and drizzle it over the frites. Season with salt and pepper, and then mix them around with your hands so they get fully covered. Lay them out on a greased cookie sheet and spread them out evenly before baking them in the oven for 18 minutes. Next, grab a cider and get started on the lamb loin medallions. Place them in a bowl and cover them with cider. This will help tenderize them while adding some of that delicious apple flavor that's perfect with lamb. Make sure they're covered, then set them aside and let them sit while you prep the carrots. Chop the tops off the carrots and give them a good rinse. Make sure you're removing your remaining ends before slicing them in half. Then just throw them in a pan, drizzle with olive oil, season with a little salt and pepper, and slide them in the oven for 10 minutes with the frites. Now for the honey cider sauce. In a small bowl, combine a couple spoonfuls of honey, a glug of olive oil, a few pinches of rosemary, salt and pepper, 1 or 2 minced cloves of garlic, and of course, a splash of cider. Stir it until it's all nice and mixed together. Empty the cider from the bowl the lamb medallions are in and cover them with the sauce. Now to cook them. Place the medallions in a skillet on medium-high heat for 4 minutes aside. The frites should be just about done, so take them out of the oven and set them down to cool. Give the lamb a quick flip, then take the carrots out as well. Lastly, take the lamb off the heat. Plate the carrots first, followed by a mound of crispy golden frites. Finally, add your medallions. As a garnish, chop some green onion and there you have it. Set the table, top up the glasses, and start the night off right.